name is Pradol and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 20 Amazon products that I use every single day. If you've seen my first video of 2025, you might know that health and wellness are two very important things for me this year. Last year around, I prioritized everything in the world except my health. But ये साल मैंने ठान लिया and I think I've been doing a pretty good job. It's been about 20 days into January and I think I've done a pretty good job, and I have to say that it is because of most of these products. These products are very wellness oriented and I found them very useful. Some of these products I've been using even in 2024, not necessarily just this year. So yeah, let's get started with today's video. Okay, let's start. I think I'm gonna start with a food item. So I have this product right here. This is a 7-in-1 seed mix. This is what it looks like. So this has watermelon, sunflower, flax, sesame, chia, and soy nuts. So these are high in fiber and also high in protein. And most importantly, these actually taste really good. So initially I picked this up because my gynac has asked me to eat this compulsory every single day, one big spoon of this seed mix. Basically this just provides like a wide range of nutrients in one go. You could eat this kind of like a snack, like just take some, pop it in, or you can also add this to your salad for that crunch. Trust me, actually बहुत अच्छा है. जब मैंने ये खरीदा था तब I was like खाना ही है मुझे, I don't care about the taste. But then once I started eating it, it is actually quite tasty. It's very crunchy. I personally really like it. It's such a simple thing to add to your diet, and I would highly recommend you too to try this out for yourself. Since we are on the topic, I think let me show you these really cute containers that I've picked up again from Amazon. So I have this little tray going on, which I keep on my vanity. So every morning when I come to the studio to get ready, I see this sitting on my table and I make sure to take all of my vitamins, my seed mix. This is a little churan powder that again my gynac has asked me to make and have with water. This, by the way, if you're curious, is Brahmi. So the reason why I want to share with you guys these little containers is I feel like these are great for meal prep. I've seen a lot of people doing a little bit of meal prep, like making chia seed for breakfast, chia seed pudding with fruits in this, or you can also fill in dry fruits. So I feel like that is what I will be doing. I'm going to be making 7 of these with dry fruits in it for Aditya and I, and have them ready for the week so that we don't have an excuse to skip out on eating dry fruits, because nuts मैंने ये पूरे साल में literally खाए ही नहीं है. These are super cute, very sturdy and airtight भी है. So just wanted to recommend these to you guys. Now let's move on to probably the cutest thing that I have from Amazon, which is this right here. So Stanley cars बहुत popular हो गए. I think that's a known fact. But they're very expensive and there are lots of dupes of those available. This one being one of them. Now this particular brand has so many different types of these tumblers, so many different colors, prints. I obviously wanted a pink one, and अलग से मैंने ये भी खरीद लिया है. So this is basically like a straw cover thing, and then it also comes with like a charm. I personally love drinking out of a straw, but I hate it when the straw like is open and exposed. I feel like insects will crawl into my water from the straw, or if like my straw touches something, it's so gross to put it in your mouth. So I like the idea of having a cover. Now the reason why this has made it to today's video is because I've had one of these tumblers before in the past also, and I've noticed that every time I have a tumbler with a straw in it, I end up drinking so much more water as compared to not having a tumbler. Essentially, it's just girl logic. I don't know, it doesn't make sense, but it also makes sense. Somehow I keep refilling this and I keep drinking out of the straw, and my water intake really shoots up. So this definitely had to make it to today's list, also because it's so freaking cute. And also you guys have been asking me where it's from. So you have the link right here. Since we are on the topic of cute bottles, I have another cute bottle. I believe I've shared this bottle with you guys in the past as well. But basically this is a copper bottle and this sits in my nightstand. So every night before I'll go to bed, I'll fill this up with water, Throughout the night, the copper in here will charge the water, and in the morning, this is the first thing that I'll drink. If you didn't know, this is a very popular thing in Ayurveda to drink out of a copper container. It has so many health benefits. I've grown up seeing my Nana Nani doing it, so this is my little way of doing it. Plus, so cute. I have lots of Ayurveda related products in today's video. Obviously, we'll come to those in a bit. But this is what the next product looks like. It's so aesthetic, very cute. But basically, why I use this almost every single day is because I kind of have quit coffee. It's a bold thing to say. I think I've had coffee like once or twice this year, probably. I am trying to not drink it every single day. I feel like sometimes it's fine, but I had made it a habit to at least have 1 cup of coffee last year. And I do really enjoy it, but I've noticed that drinking coffee makes my periods even worse. And this year, I really want to have like a smooth experience with my menstrual cycle. So I really am trying my best. So this basically is kind of like a replacement. And I'm trying to make different types of teas in the morning because subah breakfast ke liye, I do really want something hot to drink, and that is when I really want to drink coffee. So the idea behind getting this is that green tea is something that's a very easy alternative to coffee, and I really like green tea. But then I've read so many articles about how a tea bag has so many like microplastics in it. Like the minute that you pour hot water onto a tea bag, there is so much that's released other than just the green tea. So essentially, I've been using this to brew my loose tea. So iske andar you add your loose tea, add your water in here, and then isko gas pe rakh sakte hain, and bilkul bhi फूटता नहीं. Like the first time around, I was so scared, but कुछ नहीं होता है इसको. And that's it. Takes like 5 minutes max. I do have a few loose tea recommendations for you guys. These two right here I really like. Chamomile is one of my most favorite teas, especially during periods. You should try this out. Hibiscus, if you like khatta tea, this is nice. It is sour, so do bear that in mind. It has a really nice red color. This is also something that I like to add in the morning. This is ashwagandha powder. इसको directly भी ले सकते हैं, like just like a spoonful, but काफी बार गले में अटक जाता है, and it's strong, so I don't mind having this with water. Ashwagandha is something that my nana has been taking for years. It has so many different benefits, and I feel like the world, especially the Western world, is starting to really catch up to it. And I feel like it's high time that all of us too kind of embrace the beauty of our culture, because there's so much goodness in this one ingredient. Okay, next we have this really weird looking thing. So basically these are silicone sleeves for your feet. So silicone socks and silicone gloves. So basically I found these on Amazon, and I actually bought these initially for my mom. It's the winter time. Everyone's skin, feet, hands are super dry, and my mom really loves taking care of her feet. It's like her obsession. So I thought that these would be really helpful. So basically what you do is you lather your feet with oils. You can use moisturizer, you can use ghee, you can use whatever, any kind of thick substance. And rather than putting on a pair of socks, this is what you would use. Because अगर socks लगाओगे तो cotton most probably absorb कर लेगा जो भी moisture है, the moisturizer. But these just act like a film, and it doesn't get the oils everywhere, and neither will this product absorb it. And obviously this is reusable. You can wash it and use it over and over again. I personally do end up using the socks more than the gloves. I've used the gloves once only, I'm gonna be honest, but the socks are so good. I have such soft, baby soft feet because of these. Okay, time for Ayurvedic product number 1. We have a Neti pot. ये मैंने use किया था मेरे Ayurveda morning routine video के लिए. I'm gonna make sure to link that video down below because I'm quite proud of the way that video has turned out. And I've picked up a few things from that very video. One of them being this. So basically, I spoke about habit stacking. If you don't know, habit stacking basically is a concept wherein you can use a habit that is already existing in your life. Like for example, brushing your teeth. That's something that you do every single day. It's a strong habit that you formed. With that, you're going to stack a new habit that you're trying to build. So that's exactly what I've done in the morning. Right after I'm done brushing my teeth, I'll use the Neti pot. Let me quickly explain what this is, how this works in case you don't know what this is at all. You fill this up with lukewarm water, add a little bit of salt to it, and in the morning, you're gonna drain your passage. Basically, एक नाक से जाके दूसरे नाक से पानी निकलेगा. It takes a few tries, but it's not difficult at all. I think I got it right in my third or fourth attempt. Personally, I don't really have any allergies, or I don't have sinus, or I don't have any kind of congestion, but this still makes me feel like I breathe better almost. And in case you do have sinus congestion or any kind of allergies, you have to try this out, because I can only imagine what this would do to you. Since Ayurveda ke topic pe hai hi, the next product is this one. Now this is an acupuncture mat. This is also a habit that I've stacked. So while brushing my teeth, I will stand on this. Now this is not a very pleasurable experience. It's not fun. It's kind of pokey, but you get used to it. And I actually have been using this basically all my life because my nana is really into Ayurveda. He always has been. And we've had one of these for years, like probably even before I was born, and he would make me stand on this. He would make my nanny stand on this. If I feel like if standing is too much for you, you can just sit and have this underneath your feet as a starter. Maybe when you're scrolling your phone, watching TV, watching a movie, just stand on this. So इसके benefits क्या होते हैं? Basically इसमें magnet भी है, so magnet therapy भी होती है इससे. Other than that, your feet has so many different points, so it's like a reflexology massage for you, like a deep tissue massage. It helps with blood circulation also. It has a lot of benefits. And the great thing about this is that you can easily club doing this with any kind of activity. इसके लिए specially आपको time निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है. While you're doing something, you can add this to your routine. Up next, we have these gummies by Be Body Wise. I've spoken to you guys about these quite a few times in the past. I take these every single day. They taste good, and I personally feel like I've seen a difference after using these. I've gone through so many bottles of this. So difference क्या देखा है मैंने? I feel like my nails are stronger because of this. I also feel like my hair growth is really good and my hair feels strong because of this. Mainly मैंने मेरे nails में बहुत difference देखा है after starting with these. 100% do your own research before taking these, and also remember everyone's body is very different. Just because something worked for me doesn't necessarily mean that it works for you. I'm here just to share my experience with you all. Since we are talking about hair, I have another product that really has helped me with my hair oiling game. I personally am a big believer in oiling my scalp. It's something that has been happening with us since we were born, and of course when we were younger we didn't like it, but now I understand the importance of it, and I try not to go even a week without oiling my hair. So basically what is this? This is an applicator that makes your oiling chumpy sessions mess free, and the way it distributes the product and the right amount of product is just brilliant. It's such a simple, as I was saying, it's such a simple tool, but you have to use it to really understand its value. So basically iske andar you add in your oil. I personally like to make my own DIY oils and use it on my scalp. This is my most favorite oil combination concoction that I like to use. But recently I also have been loving dried rosemary. Rosemary is known to be so good for your hair. I have been adding it to my oil concoction, bringing it to a boil, and then applying it on my hair. So that's the next product. Okay, एक और oil है मेरे पास, castor oil. Now castor oil, I love castor oil for hair growth. It is a little sticky oil as compared to all the other oils. It's much thicker and more difficult to remove from your hair. But today I am not mentioning this as a hair oiling oil, but for navel oiling. Now that is another Ayurvedic practice, and that is also something that I have grown up hearing so much about. My nanny would ask me to add a little bit of oil in my nabhi, in my belly button every night before I go to sleep. I have done it a few times when I was younger, but I have never been consistent with it. But recently, कैस्टर ऑयल को पेट पे लगाना बहुत ही बड़ा ट्रेंड हो गया है. So the combination of these two has been going viral. Basically, this is kind of like a patta for your stomach. I have not used this properly even once. I really want to give this a fair shot because this is supposed to help you with bloating and give you that flatter tummy. I'm about to start my period, so basically I'm the most bloated that I could be. So it's just not the right time to try this product out. But regardless, coming back to our castor oil, I have been using castor oil. Rose raat ko without fail, I will put this in my belly button. I'll also put it in Aditya's belly button. And I really like the nozzle of this one. It just makes the process so much easier. I want to actually take a side note and talk about the book Atomic Habits. मैंने जो आज habit stacking के बारे में बात किया था is also from that very book. Another thing that they talk about in terms of building habits is to create and curate an environment that works in accordance with your habits. So what I'm trying to say is that if you're trying to build a habit or if you're trying to do something every single day, make sure that your environment supports that. So as I mentioned कि ये मैं मेरे side table पे रखती हूँ. So before I go to bed, I will look at this and it's readily available for me. So all I really need to do is pop some in my belly button and I'm good to go. Similarly, I'll also have this sitting in my side table so I remember every night to fill this up. This I keep readily available in front of my eyes every day where I get ready. So it's readily available for me to consume and so on and so forth. You get the gist. Basically, just try to curate an environment that will work in favor of you. And that way, these little habits will basically become your lifestyle. Acha, let's talk about books. I have always been someone who really enjoys reading books, and this year it's my priority. Just like how I feel like it's on everyone's priority. Everyone knows that reading books is great. It's an obvious one, but I personally pick up all of my books from Amazon, and I've literally ordered so many books for this year. And yeah, I just thought I would throw it in there just in case you were wondering. It's an obvious one, but I pick up all of my books from Amazon. Filhal, this is on my January to read list. I've shared the first two books with you guys already. The third book is Eat, Pray, Love. Now, this is not really like a self-help book. Maybe it is. I don't know. I haven't read it. But I have been reading so many good things about the book, about the movie, which is why I've added it to my this month's reading list. I'll keep you guys posted on how I found it. Next up, we have this very interesting looking drink. Now, this is plant protein. It's a protein supplement and it doesn't taste very nice. So this is by the brand Cosmix and I've heard such good things about this brand. In fact, I will say that there are few products that I've tried in the past as well. इसका ही protein powder भी मैंने पहले 1-1.5 साल पहले try किया था, which I did not like back then. And I still am not a very big fan of the way it tastes. Actually, it's not the taste, it's the consistency. It almost feels like you're drinking chalk wala pani, like it's very chalky. It's a very weird consistency. It's definitely something that you're gonna have to get used to. It's not a very pleasant experience in my opinion. But the reason why I am recommending this to you guys is because I feel like this is a really good quality protein powder, at least in my opinion and from the research that I've done. Now, this is something that I won't necessarily take every single day, but if I feel like my protein intake on this particular day is very low, I'll make sure to drink this. I am primarily a vegetarian. Having said that, vegetarian food में भी बहुत protein sources होते हैं, but मेरे diet में honestly पनीर और egg को छोड़ के उतना कुछ प्रोटीन होता नहीं है. So that is when this really comes in handy. The next product is very similar to these little containers. So basically these are short containers, immunity shot containers. If you don't know, it's kind of like a drink that you make. You prep like a bunch of it, keep it ready, and then every morning you're supposed to take a shot of these immunity boosters. Now, there are a lot of these containers available on Amazon, but most of them are plastic, and I really didn't want to add my liquid, my golden liquid, if you will, in plastic and then drink out of it every morning. Obviously, plastic is something that I use, but I want to consciously avoid using it wherever possible. So I found these little glass containers which are absolutely perfect for my little short preparation. The next product is definitely very, very extra, but oh my god, it's so worth it. It's a foot massager. I am someone who loves massages, and especially after a long day, all I really want to do is put my feet in the foot massager. I showed you guys this in my studio tour as well, and everyone in our family loves it. I love it. Aditya loves it. Aditya's grandmother also loves it. We all take our little time and we put our feet in the feet massager and scroll on our phone, and it's just the best thing ever. I feel like if you have parents who are older and they have some like foot issues or foot pain rather, I feel like it's such a cute gift and definitely something that people will end up using. Next, we have kind of like a beauty product. This brand called Miniature is something that I have been really enjoying. I have a few clay masks from them. I have a blue one and I have a pink one as well from them. This is clay powder in here. You can mix it with anything. I personally mix it just with water, and I make like my own DIY face mask at home. But not only did I use this on my face, but I also use this on my body whenever I get a tan, uneven tan to be precise. I don't mind tanning, but my body tends to tan different shades mein. Like my face usually isn't as tanned because I'm like constantly applying and reapplying sunscreen, but I'm not as like finicky about my body. So like my shoulders will be super dark, like 10 shades darker, and then my thighs will be light, and then my feet will be like 5 shades darker. So it's like different shades all over, which really bothers me. So I really enjoy using clay mask. In general, clay mask I love. My oily skin absolutely loves it. Like the way it just cleans your skin. Clay masks are the best. Then we have this little collection right here. So basically this is my essential oil collection. ये पूरा मैंने Amazon से खरीदा है, पूरा set मिलता है, और साथ में मैंने diffuser भी खरीदा है. It's no secret that I love fragrances. I love perfumes. Not only do I like smelling good, but I also like aromatherapy. Like I like my space also to smell really good. I'm not gonna lie, of course I use candles, but this is said to be a more cleaner alternative as compared to candles, like paraffin candles specifically. And also another really cute thing that Aditya and I both have been doing is putting a little bit of essential oil on our pillows. Both of us don't use pillows underneath our face. We just keep it on the edge of the bed. So when we go to sleep, we literally have that aromatherapy experience. He personally prefers lavender oil. I'm not a big fan of lavender oil. I like to go in with eucalyptus or even mint sometimes. So those are just a few ways of how I really like using essential oils. Okay, and with that, we have come towards the end of this video. I know you guys really enjoy watching these Amazon videos, Amazon product recommendations, and I really love making them. So I hope that you guys liked this wellness edition wala Amazon recommendations. Of course, everything's gonna be linked down below. Make sure to go check it out. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and I hope that you guys are liking a short every day. We've been posting a short every single day, not only on my channel but also on Mridul and Aditya. If you guys haven't subscribed, please do make sure to subscribe to our channels. This channel is close to 1 million subscribers. If you find value in the kind of videos that I make, please make sure to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.